Today we're going to start on a 12 by 30 dry pour patio slab. We will pour this in 4 sections. Right here we're just checking each corner to make sure it's nice and plumb. Here we measuring out 3 sections, 8 by 12, and 1 section, 6 by 12. We have cleaned out each section. The depth will be 4 inches thick. Get ready to stick the rods in. Rebar. Get ready to put the rebars in the foundation. I'm gonna drill one right here, one right there, 3, 1, 2, 3 right here, and 1 out here, and 3 in the side. This indicates that we have the right angle so that the water will run away from the foundation. Got some old scrap concrete, put it to the bottom. Got my street board ready. Get ready to put in some dry pour concrete. Get this. We're gonna start off doing that dry pour, and then we're gonna skip this one, and then we're gonna do this one dry pour, skip this one, and then the next time we do a pour, we're gonna pour this one and then this one. By doing the dry pour method, you can take your time and make sure you get it nice and flat. The roller creates a non-slip pad. We start misting the slab every 40 minutes. Nice and good. Prep for the next pour. This would be a rinse and repeat for the next 2 slabs. Oscar wanted to leave some paw prints, but the concrete was already dry. We continue to wet the foundation throughout the 28 days curing process. This was after the 28 days curing process. The project is painted and completed. Thanks for watching Engineered to Work.